How to switch back to personal account on Facebook. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm going to show you how you can switch back to the personal account if you have turned it onto the professional account in your Facebook. First of all, launch the Facebook, tap on your profile which is on the left side. So let's just go on the three horizontal lines right here. After that, go on the profile status. So you will see what kind of account you have from here. So now if you want to turn it to the professional mode, then simply tap on to professional mode and tap on turn on. And now when I refresh it, my account is already turned to the professional one. So I just refresh it and this is the professional account that I have. But I want to turn it off, then I can simply go to the three horizontal lines again and turn the professional mode off by just continuing it and tapping on the turn off option. And now close it and you can simply see that my account has been turned to the personal account once again. So this is how you do it. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do thumbs up, subscribe, and also comment on the comment section below.